A grim milestone as the coronavirus outbreak widens. Good evening, and thanks for joining us on this Thursday night. I'm Dennis House. There have now been more than 1 million cases worldwide. Here in Connecticut, we've learned more than 3,800 people have tested positive for COVID-19. 112 people have now died from the virus in our state. This afternoon, the governor announced that the battle for medical equipment is now ramping up. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live at the state capitol with more on what our state needs and what the governor had to say. Matthew?
Yes, Dennis, preparations are still being made right now, but the fight to get the gear for our medical workers continues to be one of the biggest struggles. This is where we stand right now in Connecticut. The governor says we're going to need an additional 1,500 ventilators added to the current supply, and we have a little more than 1,000 right now. The state has a team of 40 people making calls and placing orders. They're looking all over the world for this equipment. Meanwhile, preparations are also being made at nursing homes, and this one also impacts so many of us and our loved ones. The state is separating positive cases from negative cases within nursing homes. They're also getting alternate sites set up, and in some cases this will require moving patients to different homes. The state wants to have homes dedicated to treating coronavirus patients. The list of the homes continues to be worked on, so the initial list from last night, that is expected to change. We're hoping to get an updated list by tomorrow, but just to summarize, this is where the coronavirus stands right now in our state.
As regards infections, that's 267 additional positive tests for COVID out of 1,700 tests. That's less infections, and that was a lot of tests, so it's a lower percentage of people infected as well.
Now, we also do have new information on that 6-week-old baby who died, then tested positive for the coronavirus. State officials say they're awaiting results of an autopsy to determine if, in fact, it was the virus that killed this baby. That's the latest live here at the Capitol tonight. Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.
Okay, Matthew,